Hi guys, Wednesday morning update on our two pairs for journaling week. So let's look at cable. So you can see that overnight we had a move down and it went right to the extremity of this level. We had a weak euro and pound. It was basically a tariff move. We had strong antipods for a period of time as well before we had a pullback. US stocks have been moving higher. So it's basically a sentiment move across the market. At the level on cable just about held. So doing from the 4 hour 23, 24 pips drawdown, and we're currently sitting 35 pips off, and I put this intraday here. The next one, and then it'd probably be wise to put that one in because that was the initial start to the move. So a couple of levels above, or three actually. So for pound New Zealand, I've cleaned up the chart already. We had these levels. It's very Wednesday evening, Thursday. So that was the 1 hour that we had marked up, and it wasn't a very big move, but it was still a move into the area of potential struggle before price moved lower, and then pulled back to make a good move. So first area of potential struggle from the first hit was done, and then we did have some drawdown off that move overnight, which was 40 pips drawdown from the level, and currently 110 pips up. So price did actually retest this area. So next, obviously back into the highs would definitely be appealing. So we'll see how that performs. Actually, yeah, on the hourly as well, there's a bit of a level which we've breached already. So we'll keep an eye on things and update later on. Cheers, guys. Evening, guys. It's Thursday evening. Let's have a look at our two pairs. Cable up first. We saw this morning that our level here had already played out. We didn't get to any potential sells, and we did mark up this 4 hour close here with a potential buy, but at the time we saw flows, so we saw some dollar strength until Euro USD hit the next level and pulled back, and then cable pulled back at the same time. So there could have been a situational trade there. I personally took Euro USD, but you could have took, if you only trade pound US dollar, you could have taken a buy when Euro USD hit and made profit. So pound New Zealand, we've already covered these intradays on the way down. So we had 2.23706. Oh yeah, this morning's low if we come back to it, but we haven't, and we haven't got to our sell. So there was an intraday which I've marked up and I put in the tracker. That's done 29 pips, drawdown 39 pips into profit. So we'll note that one down. But yeah, not as much on our two pairs today compared to the previous days. NFP tomorrow, so we'll be really interested to see how these intraday levels hold up through that. So see you tomorrow, guys.